everybody, Danny here. I am so excited that you are interested in being a beta tester for our new and first ever digital nutrition course. I'm going to tell you a little bit about what it's going to mean to be a beta tester. You may or may not have heard that term before. So this is our first launch, meaning it's not going to be perfect. So our beta testing group is going to be the first group of people who get the opportunity to take this course online. So we will be offering this course to you at a discounted price. It will be about 50% off of the price that we will launch it for in our first true launch in January of 2024. So that pricing is going to be $149 or 2 payments of $80 instead of $297. So that's the first benefit of being a beta tester, is you're going to get that discounted price. In exchange essentially for having that discounted price, I'll be asking a few things of you in return. So again, it's an 8-week course, and every week there's going to be a lesson that we provide. That lesson is going to be a video with slideshow presentation. And so I'll be asking for your feedback on how that video was kind of portrayed to you. Did the video make sense? Did the topic make sense? Did you learn something from it? There's going to be a worksheet and a transcript with every single lesson. So I want to make sure that, we're catching all the grammatical errors or the spelling mistakes, or just making sure that what you're working through on the worksheet makes sense with the slideshow that's going on. So I'm going to ask for your feedback weekly on what your thoughts are pertaining to that. We'll also be asking for your thoughts on the audio quality. I've re-recorded a lot of these 3 and 4 times now, so I'm hoping we're in a good place, but you never know. I may have missed something in my editing, so I'm hoping that y'all will point that out for me. And then we are creating a tech tutorial and then resource library. So for example, videos that are how-to videos on using MyFitnessPal or using ChatGPT or using some of the resources that we like to use when we coach our clients one-on-one. So we'll be creating those libraries, and we want your feedback on whether or not the videos in there were helpful, or if there are more videos that you want to see that would bring more added benefit to your journey through these 8 weeks of nutrition coaching. And then last but not least, we would like to get a tutorial. No, I don't need you to make a tutorial. I need a testimonial. So after the 8-week course is finished and you've seen some progress, we want to know your feedback on it in a testimonial format. So maybe either an audio only or a video testimonial, or something that we can place on our website or share on our podcast to let people know that this was a course worthwhile taking and money well spent, and that you really enjoyed it, and that you would encourage other people to do the same. So that is the bare bones of what it means to be a beta tester and what this beta testing launch is supposed to be. And if you have more questions, please respond to this email and let us know what those questions are, so that we can better help prepare you for this course launch that's happening next Tuesday. So I can't wait, and we'll see you guys in the course. Bye for now.